Okay, time to take a look at the NOEVSBIG Helping Hands kit. So we've got our user guide, nice simple instructions. We've got our kit. So I think this is something I've never seen with a Helping Hands kit. We actually got a full-on case with that. So instead of having everything thrown all around, we actually have a place that we can contain that. So we have two of these short helping hands. These are on a flexible arm, and we have a magnet there on the bottom. We do have some nice rubber pads there on the alligator clip, so we don't have to worry about that digging into the insulation on your wire. We have got a stiffer articulating arm. So it's got a little handle right there. Loosen that up, and then we can extend this guy out however the heck we want to. So nice long arm. I also appreciate that this is a stiff bar, so if you need a little bit more rigidity, that is going to be a good way to make that happen. Again, got the magnet on the bottom and the alligator clip there on the top. So it looks like we have got two of those, and those are the exact same design. We have a soldering iron holder. So that has a magnetic bottom, and then all this is going to do is going to open and collapse. And if we want to tighten up that hinge to make it a little stiffer, all we're going to do is use this Allen that was in the same bag, tighten that up, and that way we don't have to worry about that thing falling. So that could be useful for accommodating different weights of soldering irons. And then we have two of these new style of clips. So these are actually on a solid pivot point. So instead of having an arm that is flexible and short or as long and rigid, we got one that is fairly short and also going to be super rigid with that little thumb nut. So it does look like this alligator clip will thread on, and then we've got a little nut right there so that we can hold that in place. So if we need to hold the board vertically, we can do that. We can loosen up that nut and spin that around to where it's more accommodating a horizontal board, and we can hold it like that. Looks like a nice big strong magnet there on the bottom, and we do have two of those as well. And then last thing is going to be our base plates. So a nice metal plate. Looks like we do have rubber feet there on the bottom already pre-installed, and we have a hanging hook in case we want to throw this thing on a wall. So yeah, very good looking variety in that kit. So something I could say I like about this one right now is that we got a very low tilt that we can go with on this guy. Whereas most helping hands are going to go to at least the height of this guy, we can actually bring this thing pretty down low and close to us. And there we go, we got 4 new contacts. All we gotta do is trim off those leads and we would have 2 new capacitors. Overall, that is a pretty sweet kit.